Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the packages I got from Temu. My name is Nyasha and welcome back to my channel. So we got some packages of Temu. Obviously guys, you know I've got a studio and I've been wanting to revamp. So we're gonna unpackage and open this stuff together. I've always wanted to do like unbox with me because I just thought it's fun. These are like all makeup essential things that I can use in my studio, so I just thought it would go right. So you're gonna hear the whole lot, so just take it as ASMR. We've also got this cordless automatic curler. Oh my gosh, when I seen this I was like, really cool. My birthday's coming up, so I'm trying to make sure I create like that Hollywood oh my god, oh is it it's cordless. Duh. That means it's like I don't have to plug it, I can charge it. So I've seen this on TikTok everywhere, right? And it looks like this. Right now my hair is knotted, but I'm definitely gonna drop in a video so you guys can see. I'm gonna leave like a link below guys if you want to get all it is. It's called wireless automatic hair curler with a power bank. That is so cool, and I'm like gonna be going away for my birthday. We're just going to a different city, and it looks like this. Wow, and stuff. I'm hoping I can use it on my synthetic hair too. And then we got this one, big package. I think this is all my makeup stuff. So let's open it. I'm using my little scissors. This little tray for my skincare. Okay. Gosh, I hope it's not broken. It's squashed. So let's open this. This is how it looks like, and it came with little legs, but obviously I had to pop them on. Super easy. Look at this. I'm definitely gonna do. Focus on this. I'm definitely gonna do a organize with me video for TikTok or Instagram. I don't know, I usually I feel more free doing those type of videos on TikTok. Oh, what is this? And I also got like a brush. You know where to put my brushes. If you see my brush set now, it's a mess. Like where it is in, it's not cute at all. Okay, so this one's definitely clear, and I think this is the dome that protects. Obviously this ain't gonna fit my brushes. I've got a lot, so it's just gonna be. Oh no, this one is white. That is not good. No, it's actually cream. So this is this. So you guys can really see it goes on top. So I can either put my pencils, like what I use for pencils or brushes, because my brushes is not gonna fit in here. Anything that was not like storage makeup stuff is the hair curler thing. So then I'll leave all the links in the below. So yeah, I did get this. I mean, I could use this for my brush set, but it's actually for like cotton pads and that old thing. Oh, it's for the lid. How cute. I like how easy everything is, like to just do. So, and then it looks like this, but I reckon I could pop in some brushes in there. Yeah, I mean it could be a brush thing, but I really like that it's like clear, and then I can put, I don't know what I'll use for this. I don't know what this is. I can't remember what it is. Oh, this actually for some brushes as well. So it's a clear one. I got a thing for clear and gold. If you know me, you know I like gold. So I could put some brushes or pencils here. I'm gonna get it like a real trolley where when I'm doing makeup I'm just trying to revamp a lot of things. Rotating shelf. So this is also like for my skin stuff or hair products and whatnot. So is that it? So it's a rotating shelving. Let's open it. I love it. It just makes things easy. Oh yes, this one's clear. And I'm so surprised on how big it is. So you can stack these up. Oh, okay. Look big. That's how it looks. So big. Love that for me. So it will be like all stacked up together. Oh, and then the bottom part is the rotating part. I don't like the film here, so we got the rotating part. So that will be the bottom, so it'll be all stacked up. Alright, let's fix this up so I'll show you how it looks like. Restore it and it rotates. I'm thinking maybe I could actually put this. Obviously, if I just want it to be 2, I could have just left it at 2 because it is quite long. But because I do have a lot of skincare in that. So I've got all of these storage things, and then also plus the hair curling thing, guys. Honestly, I love Temu for that because it provides things for your storage, DIY bits. I'm gonna show you a video of how I revamp things, but it's gonna be a short video, so I will link it. But I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Be sure to check the links in below because it's so cheap and you can get all. I forgot this. I could do. Goodness. Just gonna have to press it in. It's easy to even DIY. I didn't even have to like stress on how to do it. I love this. Even if you do not, you could put your fruits and stuff in there. So it just doesn't have to be makeup and whatnot. So that's one thing I like. Check the links in my description below. I'm also gonna link on my link tree just in case, because I'm gonna post this video. I'm gonna make it into a short as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.